In Optimum Control, you may run into a situation where you notice that your item or variance in the usage summary report is not the value you are expecting. This can be caused by a couple different things. The most common reasons are going to be an incorrect invoice entry for the item, a conversion change, or a case size change. In order to fix this, you can revalue your inventory. The first step is ensuring that the item is set up correctly. In order to do this, we're going to go into the item and make sure that the price, case size, and any conversions are set up correctly. To do this, we can click right on the item icon next to the name, and it'll bring us right into the item. From here, we notice right away that the price here isn't correct. So we can update it to what the price actually is, which is $39.95 in this case. And then we can save the item. Once we jump back into the reports, we can then double check that the purchases are correct. To do that, we can drill into the purchases by clicking on the period purchases column for the item. It'll then bring us to the report where we can see that we bought one case for $39.95, 64 is added to stock. This all looks correct. Once we confirm that both the item is correct and the purchases are correct, we can then revalue the inventory. And what this is going to do is it's going to set the two inventories at the current price for this particular item. To do this, we're going to go into the settings, gear icon at the top left, go under preferences, inventory, and select last cost. We're then going to save. From there, we're going to jump into the inventory. So we're going to go into the main menu, go into the count inventory window, and then we're going to double click into the inventory we want to adjust. Once that loads up, we can then adjust the count sheet. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the count for the item to something else and then change it back. So we're just going to change it to 0, put it back to 1, and then we can re-summarize and save. The reason is going to be to revalue. We're then going to do the same thing for the closing inventory as well. So open to bring us back to the count sheet view, go back into the inventory here, adjust count sheet, change it from 0.5 to 0, change it from 0.5 to 0, change it back to 0.5, and then we can re-summarize and save, revalue, and if we go back to the report, we can refresh it, and now it looks correct.